Hi, my name's Mark Stone. I'm the chef pâtissier here at Stone's Patisserie, and today we're going to be making you the Stone's granola with poached fruits and yogurt using the White Wings muesli mix. So to start with, we put the muesli mix in the bowl and add the pistachio nuts, then the pecans, the coconut and the almonds and the brown sugar. And then we grate the orange zest to give it a nice aroma. And then we add the melted butter, and then we add the vanilla, which is my favourite, and then the honey and the golden syrup. And then we're going to mix that all in, so all those yummy flavours mix together. And then we pop it out and spread it onto a baking sheet. And once we've done that, we pop it in the oven and toast until golden brown. Okay, so it's just started to caramelise, so we're just going to turn it over. You see all that lovely caramelisation from the brown sugar and the golden syrup, the honey. And if only you could smell it, it smells fantastic. The orange, the vanilla, it's delicious. Okay, there we go. Back in the oven. Okay, now we have the muesli nicely toasted, and we'll just give it one more stir and let it cool down until it goes nice and crunchy. And then we're ready to break it up and pop it in the bowl. Then we add the poached fruits, and today I've got pears, apples, plums that have been poached in a vanilla syrup. And then we add the Greek yogurt on top to finish and serve with milk on the side. And there we go, Stone's granola with poached fruits, a nice aromatic orange flavour, nice and simple for a great breakfast at Stone's.